Hey guys, so I have a quick video for you guys, and I like to share things to help you save your coins and also to make life easier for you while saving your coins. So today I'm going to be showing you some of my tarnished silver, and you will see the difference so you can see how this one is tarnished and this one isn't. I started to clean and I said, oh, let me do a video. So it is tarnished compared to this one. I don't know if you could tell, but you'll see a difference once it is actually clean, but it has like a gray tone to it. It's not really shiny. Well, the back will really show. You see that? So it's tarnished, and what I'm going to do is show you how to make it shiny. And this as well. This is one of the rings I created. It's tarnished all inside. So I'm going to show you how to get it nice and shiny like this. And this works on 925 or Argentine sterling silver. So make sure yours says sterling silver so you won't get frustrated wondering why it's not working. And I'm probably going to shine these up again as well. All you're going to need is two things: some water and some baking soda. I use regular Arm & Hammer baking soda for cleaning and things like this. So all you do is going to take your water and put it in your baking soda. You want to create like a paste. Add just a little more baking soda to that because we want it to be pasty. And then you're just going to take it with your finger and rub the silver. Rub the silver. Be patient. You don't need a scrubber. You don't need anything. It happens slowly. If you are a person that sweats a lot, your silver will turn. That does not mean your silver is fake. Make sure it says 925. Now, some people, I've been wearing silver for years, and there are some people that create so-called silver and lie, and they'll put the marking in there, and it's really not silver. So you have to be careful of that. But real silver, no matter how it tarnishes, it will come back clean. So you want to make sure that you are getting real silver, and you can test it by doing this, because if it's fake, that black is not going to come off. It's not going to come clean. See how shiny it's coming? It's not going to come off because it's paint. It's like an overlay or filled with, it's like a sterling silver filled with copper or something like that. You see how it's coming out shiny? It's going to take a little minute, but it's worth it because you don't have to do it that many times. Like, I probably clean these rings maybe twice a year or something like that, maybe 3 times. I really don't have to clean them much. I'm not really a sweater, but when I put them in a jury box with all the other stuff, they tend to tarnish from the oxidation and, you know, the lack of oxygen and stuff in the jury box, so they tend to tarnish. So I'm going to continue cleaning this, and I'll be right back. And you can like literally hear that I'm literally scrubbing it with my hands in the paste to get it clean. See that? When I rinse it, you'll see how shiny it is. Then get the back. It's kind of rubbed like that. Remember how dirty the back look? You can see this side versus this side. So this is how you can clean your sterling silver. I clean my anklets. I clean my earrings. Anything sterling silver, I clean it like this. No towel, no nothing fancy. And it comes out nice and shiny. So look, let me dip it in the water and show you, getting all that mess off of it. See how shiny that is? Look at that. It's going to be pretty on my finger. You see that? So I'll just keep on going and trying to get every little crevice and in the inside and stuff. But I wanted to share that. So that is how I clean my sterling silver. Let me rinse it off under the water and show you how clean it is. So look. Rinsed off, dried off, cleaned off with a paper towel, and look how nice it looks. So yeah, you can clean your silver with the actual baking soda. And this is this one. This is like a hammered silver, so it's not, it doesn't have like a glossy shine, but it can still look cleaner. So let me clean it and come back. So here we go. This one is cleaned as well. I love it. This is one of my creations, one of my rings. So yeah, that is how I clean my sterling silver and don't have to pay all that money for cleaning agents. So Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later, gators.